So here's how to waste an hour of my life. I wanted to get bridge rectifier into the Central Electronics 100V. And, you know, I'll just like start hacking and soldering things together. And I thought, you know, that doesn't work out so well. So I just started off with a bridge rectifier and thought, what would make sense with this 5-pole terminal strip to mount this thing and do it right. So I started screwing around, and that didn't work out too well right there, but this worked out well. So I just took this little diagram here and drew the strip and figured out, okay, that's probably the minimal amount of connections, and that's the rendition of it right there. So put this into the Central Electronics before my transformer comes to make the 340 volts B+, and I even color coded it so it wouldn't screw it up. So yeah, how to blow time before Super Bowl here. I guess the blue goes here, and the red is for the plus. Basic electronics. This is new electronics 101. It's like electronics 001 or something like that. But hey, that's what we're doing on Saturday here. Maybe we're gonna go see the Clydesdale horses again too. Okay, there you go. There's the color coding on how this thing goes. There's minus there, and well, I was studying I and Q signals today of how to make a balanced modulator. Turns out you need 2 modulators to do that. So no more power supply stuff for today. Anyway, I just wanted to get this little part made. I'm trying to get the room cleaned up here, get the stuff done and off of the floor. So I guess we'll install this little doodad into the 100V now. I'm gonna get this radio out of here. I actually put this thing onto eBay for like $1.99. It does work. I put the power supply on eBay also right there for $1.99. It does work. I was gonna tear apart that power supply and put it into the 100V, but I thought, no, it works. I found I can just put a transformer in here and fix it, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I think this little doodad's gonna go right there. So put this wire on it for the positive right about there. Put 2 transformer wires on it. The ground goes to the ground, and we're all set. So that'll finish up this thing. I'm just waiting on the transformer now. And this cable, there's some guy in Italy selling it for like $96. It's like crazy. So I put that one on eBay for $49, as they're hard to find. And maybe then once this thing's done, I can get this room cleaned up, put this 100V back into the box here, clean up all this crap over here, because I'm always digging for parts, and try and have some semblance of order in this room. Did some taxes, did some soldering. There's the radios to boot. I've not even been using these things really. Some guy had an interest in this one today on eBay. I lowered the price for about 2 hours. He hasn't bought it yet. This one's also for sale, so I just don't use it. That's for sale. I guess all the radios are for sale. I figure if collectors want these things, they can buy them. And I just like working on them, really. I don't talk much. All right, well, thanks for watching. Maybe this room will get cleaned out by the end of the year. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.